Good evening, everybody. It's Crystal from Coffee, Crochet, and Cuddles. It is Friday, February 28th, and it's been a while since I popped on, so I figured I would come to you. I have a lot to go over. It is Friday, but there's no finished objects. It's just been that kind of week, folks. I caught a little kind of head cold, excuse me, and if I cough, I apologize ahead of time. Blizzard, what are you doing? Oh, Blizzard would like to come and say hello to everybody. So I don't have any finished objects. Sorry about that. To show you, but I do have quite a bit to share with you. First of all, this is Big Boy Blizzard. He's a big baby. He's talking to you. He's missing his mommy. What? Say hi to everybody. Okay, I'm gonna put you down now. Okay, go down. Alright, so I did a video a while back talking about Knitcrate and that the February Knitcrate was a collaboration with Creative Grandma, and when I saw her video regarding it, I fell in love with the wool and 2 out of the 3 colorways that they had. I fell in love with the Energize Me colorway, and I fell in love with the Chill Out colorway. Neutrals never really do it for me. It's just not my cup of tea. And I said on the video, I says, I really want to get a hold of the Knitcrate. I've never had one. But this month, something about it spoke to me. So, what should come in the mail, sticking out of my mailbox, when I got back from my layover, was a Knitcrate. I'm like, I didn't order that. That's weird. And I'm looking at the package. It's got my name on it. If you can see, there's my name. And there's Knitcrate. And I'm like, I didn't order it. And what made me realize that I didn't order it is when I opened it up. It's a colorway. The one colorway that I'm not really fond of. And this is the one that was called Sprout. There's nothing wrong with it. It's gorgeous yarn. It's soft. It's squishy. It's just, I'm not a brown and green kind of girl. I'm not a neutral tone kind of girl. And I'm like, well, I know I didn't order this. Excuse me. Excuse me. My cough is killing me. I know I didn't order it. And so I tried to get a hold of somebody from Knitcrate saying, I received this in the mail, but I didn't order it. Can you let me know some more information? They never got back to me. I don't know if anybody sent it out there to me. I don't know how they would have gotten a hold of my address. So, and I'm going to probably have to try to get a hold of Knitcrate again. I wish they had a telephone number to talk to them, because I'm afraid to use this without knowing more about it. So that came in the mail, and I'm like, I love the yarn itself, but I did not like the colorway. That really, really bothered me. So we all know that Knitcrate has that $5 offer for the first box when you sign up for their membership. I'm like, I really, really, really want the Energize Me palette. So I went on, I signed myself up, I created an account, I used their $5 off code, and within a day, maybe 2 days, this came in the mail. Same box, same month, but the colorway that if I had chosen in the first place, I would have picked. This is so pretty, purples and pinks, and it's got a little bit of It says orange, but it's more like a peachy orange than a real orangey orange. And it does have a wool smell to it, but it's okay. I'm fine with that. So now I have one box of Knitcrate in the Sprout color and one box in the Energize Me color. And I would really love if anybody has a box of the Energize Me color to trade with you guys for the neutral color. I'm not a fan of that. So I'm willing to trade the Sprout color if anybody has, or I'm even willing to take the other one, the Chill Out color. If you have the Sky color and you wanted the neutral color, excuse me, if you got either the Energize Me colorway or the Chill Out colorway and you would like to get the neutral colorway, please leave a message in the comments below. I'll try to remember to put my email in the description box. So that was Knitcrate. I haven't done anything but open them up. But I would really love to make a summer top. Really lacy summer top with that Energize Me palette. But I just don't think it's enough yarn. So if somebody's willing to trade for that neutral palette, please let me know. So that's the first thing to discuss, Knitcrate. Second thing was Michael's was having a very excellent sale a little while ago on their Loops and Threads yarn, which was 40% off the original price. And then President's Day came along the weekend, and they were doing a coupon for 20 or 25% off all yarns, regular and sale price total. So your total purchase, 25% off. So yes, I went and bought quite a bit. I'm gonna actually, whoops, sorry Blizzard, Mama didn't know you were there. Open this other box up and we're gonna whip it on in there. Okay. So, let's see what I bought. This is the first bag. These bags are atrocious. Oh, this is a simple one to go through. This was not the Loops and Threads. They had a sale on Caron cakes as well. So this is 3 Caron cakes. And this is the blueberry muffin colorway. So I got 3 of those. Then we got Loops and Threads Waterford Big. This is in the color teal. And it is a bulky number 5. Calls for the 7mm hook. Made in China. Can't quite tell. Oh, hand wash cold, dry flat, do not bleach or iron. 243 yards, 223 meters, 250 gram ball. And I got 2 of those in that color. Let's see. Let's see if there was a receipt on that. $4.79 a skein was that one. Alright, what else came in? Oh, I didn't cut this one open. 1 second. Reach around, you guys. Grab my scissors. Grab my handy dandy scissors here. Oh my goodness. Look at this tiny little. Okay. What is this? Oh, that's right. I'm not sure what I was thinking when I bought this. You know what I was thinking? Somebody, Julie from Julie with Captain Stitches, decided that she was going to challenge herself to make crochet socks. And we all know socks are not fun, no matter if you knit or crochet, and you have to use a really thin yarn, and I'm not a fan of thin yarn. But since they were having the loops and threads sale, excuse me, I decided, okay, just for ha-has, go find a color you like and get some sock yarn, which we all see that how thin that is. That's a number 1, super fine number 1. And this is Loops and Threads Perfect Pair. And I'll read this one down below here because I got 2 of them. Because I didn't know if one skein would make 2 socks or not. So it's 454 yards, 3.5 ounces, 415 meters, 100 grams. This is superfine number 1, and it calls for a USD 3 or a 3.25 millimeter hook. And this colorway is Born to Run. And it is made of 70% acrylic, 23% viscose from bamboo, and 7% polyester. It's super soft. Super soft. I'm going to have to challenge myself on this one. The pattern in here is for, I think, knit. I don't think this is a crochet pattern. Staggered rib socks. 1 ball. The one on this one is basic knit socks. Yeah, I think they're both knit patterns. We'll have to look and see if we can't find a good crochet pattern to work on. I know there's a crochet pattern in this Knitcrate box for this month. I'm just not sure that's a type of sock I like because it was just like an anklet. But we got 2 balls of that to work with. How am I doing? 13 minutes. All right. Another bag that I missed opening. I try not to open these because I have 3 dogs and the dog hair becomes really obnoxious. Oh, and that sock yarn was, 1 ball was $2.87 for that because of the sale. Oh, more loops and threads. And this is Kai. 3 balls of this Kai yarn. Let's see if I can read. Machine wash and dry. Calls for a 5.5 millimeter hook. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. It's 100% acrylic. The color is Splash. Very appropriate color. And it's a lightweight 3. Yeah, I would say so. It's made in Turkey. Very pretty. Blue yarn. We all know what I buy blue yarn for, people. I'm so sorry about this cough. What was this? This was Loops and Threads Snuggly Wuggly Dip Dye. That's so pretty. Pretty pinks and purples on this one. 360 yards, 4-ounce ball, 329 meters, 100% acrylic, calling for a 4mm hook. That's interesting. This colorway is Purple Haze, and there's calling this a lightweight 3 as well. Machine wash warm, gentle, wash with light colors, non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry low, do not iron. And there's a baby sweater. Let's see if I can show you the, right there. And it says, let's see, from the top cardigan. And you need 1 ball for that. And that fits a size 6 to 12 months. I was thinking of a summer top with that, but it's 100% acrylic. We'll see how that works out. Okay, that's it for that box, and that bag, and that bag, and that bag. Let's just kind of squish this down. This box is full. That's not going to hold any more yarn in this box. Scooch that behind me. All right. Now, what do we got in this one? Now, see, this is what bugs me about Michaels. They sent me 4 little squishy mailers, and then 1 big box. And inside the big box, look at all this stupid filler. They're gonna just put all the darn yarn in 1 box. Excuse me. Whoa. This is weird. This is not as soft as I thought it should be. This is Loops and Threads Tweed Big. Here, I'll read this one. I'll show you this one. Ready? It's a 289 yard ball, 300 grams, 10.5 ounces. It's a medium weight number 4. Calls for a 5.5 millimeter hook, or US 9. Made in China. Color is denim blue. Hand wash warm. Do not bleach. Dry flat. Do not iron. Do not dry clean. 96% acrylic. 4% other fiber, which are those little flecks for the tweed effect. It's not rough, but it's not as soft as I thought it would be. Not as soft as I thought that one would be. Okay, what else do I got down in here? Charisma. This is soft. This is a Charisma Tweed Hues. This is gorgeous. See if that comes true to color. Purples and blues and mauves. Oh, so pretty. It's 109 yards. 3.5 ounce. 100 meters. 100 gram ball. Bulky number 5. Made in Turkey. Calls for an 8 millimeter hook. Very soft and squishy. Our US 11. And this is Mountain Lake. Machine washable and dryable. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Did I get more than one? Oh, yes. That would make Mountain Lake. 3 balls. So I've got 327 yards. I'm thinking that's enough for a hat and a scarf set, or a cowl, hat and towel set. Oh, look at this. This is fun stuff. Yarn is fun. What else did I get? Ooh. Cozy Baby. Loops and threads. Lightweight 3. Very soft. Very squishy. 70% acrylic, 30 polyamide. Lightweight number 3 calls for a USG or 4mm hook. Machine wash warm. Do not bleach. Tumble dry. Low. Do not iron. This is the color Kodiak. There's a pattern right here. And they're saying that is the crochet chevron baby blanket. And that it'd take 2 balls to crochet this. And it says that is included on the inside of the ball band. Very, very cool. And I got 2 balls of that. Isn't that lucky? Not that that's probably what that's going to be made into, but just in case there's a baby that I don't know about that needs a... What do you do to the ball bands? Oh, and I got it in one other color, but only 1 ball. And this is color Tahoe. Very pretty blues, white, kind of like a smoky gray, some greens in there. Very, very pretty on this one. This is super soft, super squishy. Cozy Baby. Oh, sorry, and that's 557 yards. It's a 7-ounce skein, 510 meters, 200-gram ball. This one's the same pattern on this one, the chevron. I've never attempted a chevron. I don't know if it's because I'm scared to, or maybe I tried it once and it didn't work out. Oh, look, I got more sock yarn. What? This one's the same. Loops and threads, perfect pair. But this one is Pink Cadillac. So, sorry about that. I should have enough yarn to do socks. Let's see. The Cozy Baby was $4.79 a skein. The Tweed Big was $4.79. Perfect Pair was $2.87 a skein, and the Tweed Stripe was $2.15. That is an excellent buy. The last thing I got, this, I saw Crystal from Bag A Day talking about this, and I had to get my hands on it. I don't think this is a medium weight number 4, though. It looks more like a lightweight 3. It's called Cotton Colors from Loops and Threads. Here, I'll hold up a ball for you guys. Try to get it in a good spot. 394 yards, 7-ounce ball, 360 meters, 200 grams. 100% cotton. Machine wash warm. Do not bleach. Dry flat. Iron on high heat. Dry clean with any solvent except trichloroethylene. Medium number 4 calls for a US 7, and the color is taffy, and it's made in Turkey. And I got 3 balls, and it's not a kitchen cotton, folks. It's not super soft, but it's not rough. And I got 3 balls because at some point I am going to attempt to make myself either a beach cover-up or a crochet top. I'm not sure. My poor ball band is completely gone on this one. This one's only got half a ball band. So that's the one I'll start with. So that is my Michael's haul. From the President's Day sale. there was a couple other things that I wanted to try, but I didn't like the colors that they had left. So I just ended up passing on those. Again, I'm going to try to get a hold of somebody at Knitcrate and see what's up with this box that I have, because I didn't order it. Oh, Avalanche would like to say hello to everybody. Hi. Hey, don't remind Blizzard down there. You are in the spot. All right. Say good night to everybody. Say good night. We're Crystal from Coffee, Crochet, and Cuddles. And we're going to say good night, everybody, reminding you to enjoy your coffee. Certainly enjoy your crochet, but most of all, enjoy your cuddles, even when they're being misbehaving. Night, everybody.